Hi guys, I wonder if you'll be able to tell now what I'm going to be doing this evening as I work on it. You can see if you can figure it out. I'm going to start with a burnt matchstick. You could use a sharpened stick or anything, and I like to dip it into ink. Now I know some of you won't have ink, and you don't have to use, like, you could just use a piece of charcoal or a crayon for this part. Okay, so I'm going to start by doing a bit of a drawing. Let's see if you could guess even from the drawing what it is. I'm not sure if I've left enough space for everything. Okay, so that's the start. Really, I should be like this, shouldn't I? So you'd have a better chance of figuring out what I'm up to. Okay, I'm going to use some yellow crayon. It's not really standing out. See this paper? It's like an old envelope or something. You could use any brown paper that you've got at home to do this. You might find an old envelope like this one that's underneath. It doesn't have to be this colour brown, you know. Just do whatever you like. Okay, it doesn't even have to be this subject, but it's a subject that I've enjoyed painting. Can you tell what it is? I'm just going to use some Pritt stick now for this part. This is a lot of fun. That bit where you start gluing stuff on always gets me excited. Some bits of collage paper. So there's some nice blues. And I think I want to bring some red in. That gave it away, didn't it, when I did that? I think. I feel like I want to bring some paint into the mix as well. So I've got some water here. I have to kind of keep everything around me just in case I feel like using something different. I think it's a good idea to have stuff close to hand that you might want to use. Okay. And if you're planning on getting messy like this, having the nice tidy stuff, things that you want to keep clean, out of the way. Because you don't want to feel like you have to be careful about stuff around you. So get your old clothes on and put some newspaper down maybe in order to... See, I quite like that because that's got the feeling of a feather. And I've given it away saying that, haven't I? This is a bird. It's a rooster. This is what I'm doing. So, I wonder if any of you guessed that? I could put another couple of videos I've done before of roosters in the links below this video, because I'm not sure if this is going to be my best rooster, but it's a good one for now. There's a few more roosters I've done in videos different times. Yeah, just feels like a lot of fun to combine the materials together. I seem to be wanting to make this a very orange rooster. I suppose most roosters are kind of orangey in colour, maybe. I don't know. His face can be grey. I might bring in some grey into the feathers. Don't really like that too much though. And if you actually had some real feathers, that might be quite nice, wouldn't it? To stick real feathers on for this tail. So what I've done there with the matchstick, where did I put the matchstick? What I did with the matchstick was drew the legs as though he's walking along. And I'm just going to put another couple of things on for the tail there. I think it needs to be a bit bigger, the tail. Not sure about the red paint in the end. But I do really like this. I like that colour. Where did I put the rest of that now? That's the only thing with having lots of stuff around, we can end up losing things in the midst of a mess, you know. Just gonna tear some more. I like this orangey red colour. Now I couldn't find the matchstick, but I know that this bottle of ink here has got a stick in it. And I'm just going to use that stick, it's green. This was a spray bottle I got from Lidl, spray ink, but it's not working. I thought it might be quite nice if it was working to splash some green spray on them, but it's not working. So I'm just going to use it for the ground actually. Yeah, so I'm going to draw the ground, which is green, a greenish colour for the ground. And you know what we could do? Remember how we made the mosaic eye the other day? But I know I've hardly got any time now, but maybe after the video I'll do this. I've just put some glue down there and I'm going to sprinkle something like tea leaves or something. Hang on, I'll just go and get them. I've only got a few seconds. There's actually some lentils and things there that I used in the last... Sorry, I'll put it on the microphone. There's some lentils and things that I used in the last video that I thought our rooster could maybe be eating. He's having a good feed there now because they're really quite big seeds for a rooster to have. Okay, and you know you could sprinkle more around the place. Right, so I was doing that with so using this instead of the matchstick, and I'm just going to clean it and dip it into the black ink because I want to do the feet in black ink. And I've not got much time left now. Okay. So I just wanted to re-establish the feet so they're a little bit clearer. There's one on the ground, and then here's just the little claw from the other one that's going to go up there. And I'm going to do something for the beak again, and something maybe for the eye. What about that? I could have used a lentil for the eye, couldn't I? I might redraw the body a little bit as well. And it's almost time up now, so I'll just splash a bit about there. And there we have our rooster. There we have our rooster having a feed. All right, you could do any bird you want. Have fun, enjoy it. Oh, there, actually we've got a few minutes longer, so I could have made it maybe a bit more rooster-like. But you could do like a peacock maybe, a parrot, anything that's got these lovely colourful feathers. So I used oil pastel, collage, torn paper collage, and ink, and glued on some seeds for him to eat.